We've got a few changes today due to sickness and illnesses, which is a little bit annoying, but it's fine. Louise isn't here today, band liaisons. So Kyle is taking on her responsibility today. He's your pro. If a band starts, you know, doing something, tell Kyle. It's his problem now. Which means Kyle on the day was being secondary floor manager, so that's now been taken over by Chloe. So Chloe is now reserve floor manager when Amy gets tired of hitting people with large sticks and anything else she's planning on doing.
Can I also say on a Kyle note, if people can try and go to Kyle instead of talking to the bands themselves, because if not they'll get
mixed messages.
Yeah, speech from all directions, so it's easier to...
There's a lot of equipment to be carried over, included stuff like water bottles and everything like that. We've got a car?
Ryan's taking the car.
We've got one car, so stuff can be loaded up, but we will have a marching ant set up and everyone will be taking all the equipment there.
GoPros, they only can record up to an hour and 21 minutes. So anything longer than that, we have to run down to the editors to transfer.
Anyway, so it's like 20 minutes each, so it's literally just like
it should be fine then.
Stopping and starting it a couple of times, which is going to be tricky depending on where we put them.
I'm pretty excited. I'm nervous at the moment. There's a lot of stuff happening, but once the equipment is done, I'm doing it at the bottom. It's probably better if I did it on the top.
I'm excited or nervous? Excited. What can go wrong? Logistics did well.
No, I'm quite excited actually. Oh, excited or nervous? I'm excited.
I'm fucking shitting myself, kid. It's fucking nervous, man. Kieran's laughing at me over there. Bet he didn't expect that sleepy northern response.
I'll get him a look.
I like it. Help me. Send help.
Huh?
I'm trying to be helpful. Yeah. We can actually fit a lot more in there.
Come on lads, you've got this!
Playing, Ryan, you have a big car.
Everyone's like, what can we fit in? Like,
Everyone weed and watered, yeah? Had a poo, had a wee. Let's go. Whoop, whoop.
So we're all working really hard right now. Everyone's gone split up into their own teams to work on everything. Production is setting cameras up, sorting out logistical aspects like lighting. They've sent some runners back to uni to get some gels. Audio, I've got loads of tripods with their boom mics on, and they're going to set them up on.
They're pointing into the crowd.
To get the crowd to
Yeah, have a couple of lights up there pointing at the band too.
Yeah, we're going to test them next to make sure that they work.
Basically, it's just everyone's sort of all hands on deck setting up right now. It's going okay. Yeah, nothing's gone wrong just yet, but there's always hope.
We have well, Tana's been sent now.
Sound check. Oh wait, most of them can
Yeah,
sound check
Eleanor
now.
Lee is the only one, and she's showing up at 5:30.
5:30, that's fine.
But we think we're going to go with the corner, which is tucked away.
It might be nice if we could raise that a foot or two.
Yeah.
Because right now, you know, fall standing there, you're not going to see the shit.
Yeah, exactly. I think there are things that we could use. Like we could use. I think there's these things down here. If we put a platform against that band under the shelf, and then we just stand it on there. Does that make sense?
How strong is that? Not strong enough to sit on.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I'll take chairs.
Should have 6 first.
Yeah, channel 6.
The mics and everything and making sure they all make sound. Because sound is good for a festival.
So we've just sat down to do some editing. Well, you know, ready to do editing when we get the footage, and looking forward to a long day and seeing what sort of footage we get.
So a quick update on roles for the marketing team. We've got a few hand-in flyers and programmes out in the uni, and then at about 2:30, 3 o'clock they're going into town to get some public into the place at 5 o'clock. So yeah, just basically advertising the event, scaring it up on social media tonight. We can't unfortunately go live due to the Wi-Fi here, but we are planning on taking videos and then uploading them afterwards.
Throwing out videos of all the sound checks,
trying to get everyone to come, yeah, that kind of thing. Yeah. We're just setting up for some sound checks and then hopefully we're good to go. Just like the bands are coming in. Oh, Garen's here just now, so I've got to go and...
Cool. She goes away. I know you're trying to get on, but I can still let you go. I don't wanna make you face this one alone.
So yeah, I'm really excited to play tonight, but the part that excites me the most is the fact that of the other acts, besides Rotanas, I haven't actually listened to the other acts, and that wasn't me being ignorant, that's me being deliberate, because I love the idea of going to a gig, not knowing what somebody sounds like. That makes the gig experience a lot more exciting for me. From the perspective of, like, as a performer, I know a lot of the people who are working here today and who've set this up, and I know that they're going to be a great crowd. So I'm really excited to play to a lot of them.
Yeah, I'll put mine in.
Well, we're gonna perform a few cover songs in the pop rock genre of music.
One of the groups that we are going to perform is Backstreet Boys, and the other one is Linkin Park.
And I'm quite excited about it. It's the first event that we're gonna perform together, more than one song, and it's a debut performance together. So I'm really excited about it, and I'm really looking forward to it.
As every musician, we expect many people.
Many people, at least 200, 300 people, just for us, yeah.
Jeff, if you're here, we're running 10 minutes ahead of schedule because Garen's got to be off by 1:15, so
He's going on now.
He's going on for. We'll get him on as soon as possible. As soon as he's finished his mic check, he's going to start. So it's about 10 minutes ahead.
Does that just mean we can just like have a bigger gap in between him and the other one? So I wouldn't move everything forward?
Yeah, I believe that's what we're just going for.
Because I wouldn't move it forward because we're going to have more people showing up later than earlier.
Yeah.
So
just to let everyone know.
So he's just going to go on early and then...
Well, they won't go on if they don't show up for the set time.
I've lost these people twice now. Twice.
If they play you up, don't let them go on.
I like how you didn't document anything I've done for the last 2 weeks, but now I've actually messed something up. You're like on me like trombone chips.
Yeah.
You can keep that in the documentary.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
So what happened then? Fill us in.
Calvin and Ivan. They were here. We did this sound check. Then I lost them. And they meant to be on in about half hour. They came back, so I found them. And now I've lost them again. So I don't know where they are. I hope they're down there. I hope they're down there.
Where are they?
I don't know. I don't know where they went the first time. I hope not. I'm only saying this to you because he wants to document it, and it's kind of boring. Because documentary are grabbing for information because they're crap at their jobs. I love you.
Coffee stain on this raw paper.
I don't know, I think one was shaving. Just don't know.
I don't want to speak to him in the toilet, to be honest.
Without being cryptic or clever, everyone.
To be performing since you're 9. Yes. What is it you love about performing?
I don't know, I think it's my comfort zone. Like it might sound really weird, but I'm quite a nervous person when it comes to talking.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause and welcome on stage Carlin and Ivan.
So this is the first interview and it seemed to go alright. Garen had to leave early because there was some issues with the audio, but I think we got something good out of it. But I'm definitely more excited to do a few more. I want to do more things like this. I want to do more interviews with people. I want to present more things. But yeah, I'm excited to see. Who have I got next? I've got Carlin and Ivan. How do you say? Is it Carlin?
The performance was excellent. I really enjoyed myself, and everything was great. The organization and everyone was, I don't know, was doing their job brilliantly. So yeah, and I'm really happy with what we have given as a performance. The audience was great. I really quite liked the fact that they really supported me in my last song, and they were singing with me, and it was great. It's a great feeling, actually.
You got me wrapped around your finger.
I'm Olive Grinter. It's me and my acoustic guitar. I am studying at Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, doing jazz voice, but do this along the side. Just write a few songs, but mainly covers. I like to take normal songs that people might think they know and then make them different, so not just a plain cover, similar to kind of either Cassidy and Nora Jones, inspiration. But I'm hoping to change more into a jazz style as my guitar skills come along, play some more jazz guitar and head towards Leanne Havas sort of style. She's another inspiration. There's a lot of people here doing a lot of stuff, but Buffalo's a really cool venue. I've never been, but it's awesome, and yeah, it should be good. I'm hoping to get to know some more musicians in Cardiff that aren't just at the college. I don't know many singer-songwriter artists, so hopefully I'll do some networking and get to know some cool people.
And it's hard to bear when she's so kind. She's playing with my heart, with your mind. She's playing with my heart, with your mind.
We are Body Control. I'm Rob, I'm on the vocals.
I'm Dylan, I play lead guitar.
Bryn, rhythm guitar.
I'm Alex, I play bass.
I'm Lewis, I play drums.
We sort of a heavy blues rock, sort of almost metal kind of band. We're going to play a six-song set, all of our original songs. Six-song set, all original songs.
Yeah, new stuff. Never played it in Buffalo before, so it should be cool. Nice old venue. Yeah, but that should be good though, because it should get packed quite easily. It's always, I think, going to gigs are more intimate, better anyways. So it should be alright. Destroying everything. Bleeding ears.
Yeah. People come down and do some moshing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just play a good gig.
Yeah, have a good time.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
What do you think it went up there, you know? How was the audience, how was the atmosphere up there?
Oh, the audience was really great, and the venue is beautiful. I don't know if the actual team has set up all the lights, but it looks beautiful. And the audience was hilarious because at the end, I think I said, "Oh, like we're going to stop now," and someone said, "No, fuck you," and I was like, "What?" That's the way to persuade me to do it again. But
Yeah, I think you were the first people to do like an encore, like an extra song. So it must have been really nice. That's good. What was your favourite song to perform up there?
you see yours in this.
I quite like doing Redbone because that was probably the one I was most comfortable with. The others are like the first one, first song Skinny Love, and then the fourth one. I didn't feel too comfortable playing, but that was just because I was really nervous for it. I know I made a mistake in one of them.
Oh, sorry, don't say it.
I don't know. I think I came in really late, but it was alright. It sounded alright in the end. No one knows.
I would say the one that went the best is Redbone, but I really look forward to more back to back.
Yeah, I'm a fan of Childish Gambino too. Redbone's good, man. Yeah, so talked about the audience. Yeah, how do you just generally, like technically, how do you think it went up there? Like, you know, did you think, yeah, come off, I nailed that, that was great. So, you know what I mean? Like,
I think it was, maybe we didn't nail it as perfect as we wanted to, but I felt it was more real in some ways, like a real life performance with some mistakes, but as well like improvisation.
did you play many gigs like this, or was this like the first time?
This is our first time together.
First time doing an acoustic gig, but I've played like rock gigs before, so this was like something totally new for me. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I felt that I got better as the performance went on, because at the start I was a bit nervous. Like, I was constantly looking down a lot, and then later on I started looking up a bit more. But yeah, it was good.
How was it performing with each other? How do you think it went up there?
Terrible.
Oh, it was good. It was like we'd always make sure we were in the right place. If one of us was sort of like, you know, needing to grab the other one's attention, we'd sort of turn to each other and like give each other a
I
nod.
kept
Or
looking at you like, are we doing it? Are we ending it or not?
yeah, so we knew where we were all along, but like, you know, visual cues helped.
But it was really fun. This is our first time together. I think I want to do it more, so probably see us in the future.
I think it seemed to go pretty well. Like, there was like cheers and stuff. But, I mean, that could have come from 5 people, could have come from like 50. Do you know what I mean? We couldn't really see anything on stage, but
well, we done like 4 gigs in 2 weeks, I think, and they've all been really good. And it's been quite tricky because you've got to try and keep up the standard. You know what I mean? So everyone you want to try and make better. If the next one's not as good, then you just feel it so much more. Like, so yeah, got to keep the standard up.
I don't know. It felt good on stage, though.
Yeah,
Just like the one you just like tonight. You said, yeah, we nailed that one. That was good.
Yeah. Well, it's been our first headline in a while, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like, well, our second only headline. So.
What's it like headlining?
It's
easy, mate.
Cool.
Easy,
We love it. It is obviously it's nice to be a headliner, and being a headliner not having to bring everything here as well is also another bonus. We love that. But yeah, good fun, man.
Yeah, what do you think of the atmosphere?
Absolutely, it's cool. The event was really good because we do so many gigs where we turn up, we don't know what kit's going to be there, what time we have to be there, what bands are going to be there, how to get there. Do you know what I mean? But this was good because we just came in, knew when we were needed, knew what was going to happen. Yeah, so props to you all for that.
I think it's more towards them guys than us.
Yeah, cheers, guys.
Cool, yeah. What was your favourite song performed up there?
Oh, absolutely Fuel for the Youth. That song.
Yeah,
love that song.
It's one of our newest ones, Fuel for the Youth, and it's just quite an uplifting tune, isn't it?
It's our kind of song, isn't it?
And it's a nice one to end on because it's sort of rocky, but it's sort of a little bit sentimental at the same time. So it's perfect.
I love atmosphere too.
Yeah.